and it's basically the largest machine ever built. CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, has long been at the forefront of scientific discovery, from unlocking the secrets of the Higgs boson to probing the fundamental forces that govern our universe. The Large Hadron Collider has been the key to some of the most groundbreaking physics experiments in history. But now, CERN scientists have broken their silence on a chilling new discovery, one that has the potential to rewrite everything we thought we knew about reality itself. The discovery that shook the scientific world. For years, CERN has been investigating the fundamental nature of our universe, smashing particles together at near-light speeds to glimpse the hidden structures of reality. But recent experiments have yielded results that defy explanation, leading researchers to question the very fabric of space, time, and existence. The discovery in question involves anomalies in quantum mechanics, time distortions, and even evidence that suggests our universe may not be what it seems. Some have called it the most significant breakthrough since Einstein's theory of relativity, while others warn that the implications are far more unsettling than anyone could have anticipated. So, what exactly did CERN find, and why are scientists only now coming forward with this information? Quantum reality, a universe that shouldn't exist. The experiments at CERN have provided mounting evidence that reality as we perceive it may not be as solid as we once believed. Quantum mechanics has always been strange, with particles appearing and disappearing, existing in multiple states at once, and behaving in ways that seem to contradict classical physics. But a new series of collisions has revealed something far more disturbing. Researchers detected a pattern in the decay of subatomic particles that suggests our universe is not stable. This has led some scientists to believe that we may be living in a false vacuum, a delicate and temporary state of existence that could collapse at any moment. If true, this would mean that everything we know, the laws of physics, the forces of nature, even time itself, is built upon an unstable foundation. Worse yet, the experiments at CERN may have actually triggered fluctuations in this false vacuum, raising fears that reality as we know it could be at risk. Could it be that CERN's research has uncovered evidence of a parallel universe or even an alternate dimension? The data suggests that these anomalies are not random, they are part of a structured pattern, hinting at the existence of something beyond our observable universe. The time distortion experiment. Perhaps the most chilling aspect of this discovery comes from anomalous time fluctuations detected during recent tests. Scientists working on high-energy particle collisions noticed microsecond delays in data transmissions, delays that should not be possible under known physical laws. At first, these deviations were thought to be simple errors. But as they continued to occur with increasing frequency, researchers realized they might be looking at something far more significant. The results suggest that the high-energy collisions at CERN may be altering the flow of time itself, creating localized time distortions. These fluctuations, though minuscule, raise profound questions. We are knowingly tampering with the very structure of reality. Could CERN's experiments be revealing a deeper truth about the nature of time, one that challenges everything we thought we understood? Are we witnessing evidence of time loops or parallel timelines? Could CERN be inadvertently creating conditions where time itself is unstable? If time distortions are occurring, what are the long-term consequences for reality? Portals and the multiverse hypothesis. Some researchers believe these time anomalies may be linked to the existence of portals between dimensions. This theory suggests that CERN's high-energy experiments could be opening gateways to other parts of the multiverse, parallel realities that coexist alongside our own. The idea of a multiverse is not new, it has been proposed in theoretical physics for decades. But the recent data from CERN suggests that we may have actually detected evidence of these other realms. Some of the strange phenomena reported by scientists include particles appearing and disappearing inexplicably, energy readings that cannot be accounted for, and unexplained fluctuations in the space-time continuum. These findings have led some to speculate that CERN's experiments may have already opened a rift between realities, a chilling prospect that raises even more questions about our understanding of existence. The Mandela effect, a possible consequence of CERN's experiments. One of the most controversial theories tied to CERN's discoveries involves the Mandela effect, a phenomenon in which large groups of people remember historical events or details differently from the official record. Some believe that these inconsistencies could be evidence of parallel realities merging, possibly as a result of CERN's experiments tampering with space-time. Could it be that the anomalies detected by CERN are proof that reality itself is being altered on a fundamental level? While mainstream scientists remain skeptical, the increasing number of unexplainable data points suggests that something deeply unusual is happening. A warning from within CERN. Perhaps the most unsettling aspect of this discovery is that some scientists at CERN are deeply concerned about the implications. Reports indicate that a number of researchers have come forward, some anonymously, warning that we are on the brink of uncovering something that should not be disturbed. They caution that we may be tampering with forces we do not fully understand. The pursuit of knowledge could have unintended consequences for our universe. There is a possibility that experiments have already altered reality in ways we cannot yet comprehend. One anonymous scientist allegedly stated, "We are playing with the fundamental nature of the universe, and we don't know what the outcome will be." Could CERN be reaching too far? While the official stance from CERN is that its research is safe and controlled, there are many who believe that we may be on the verge of unlocking something dangerous. If our universe truly is a delicate construct, then interfering with its structure could have catastrophic consequences. Some have even drawn comparisons to the legend of Pandora's box, suggesting that once we unlock these secrets, there may be no turning back. With CERN planning even more powerful experiments in the coming years, the question remains, are we on the verge of a new era of discovery, or are we risking everything by venturing into the unknown? What happens next? The revelations from CERN have sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Some believe we are on the cusp of a paradigm shift in physics, while others warn of unforeseen dangers. What we do know is this: the data from CERN challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. The anomalies detected could be evidence of parallel realities, time distortions, or even a deeper, simulation-like nature to existence. Some scientists within CERN are growing increasingly uneasy about what they are discovering. If these findings continue, we may soon have to confront some of the most profound questions about reality itself. If these discoveries are confirmed, then our understanding of reality itself will never be the same again. One thing is certain: CERN's experiments are uncovering truths about the universe that could change everything. The question is, are we ready for what comes next? The chilling implications of CERN's discovery. The revelations emerging from CERN are not just rewriting physics textbooks, they are challenging the very nature of reality itself. What began as an ambitious experiment to understand the building blocks of the universe may have led to a discovery so unsettling that some scientists have chosen to remain silent. In the previous section, we discussed how CERN's latest experiments have produced anomalous quantum fluctuations, time distortions, and even possible interdimensional phenomena. But this is just the beginning. What you're about to hear might make you question everything you thought you knew about existence. The hidden structure of reality: are we living in a simulation? The simulation hypothesis, once considered pure science fiction, is now being taken seriously by top physicists and technologists. Elon Musk himself has stated that the chances we are not living in a simulation are 1 in billions. But how does this connect to CERN? Physicists analyzing the latest Large Hadron Collider (LHC) data have found disturbing evidence that suggests the laws of physics themselves may be artificially constructed. Certain mathematical patterns, the kind you'd expect to find in computer code, appearing in quantum interactions. These patterns shouldn't exist unless our universe was programmed to behave this way. In other words, CERN may have accidentally uncovered the code running our reality, an underlying structure that suggests we are inside an artificial construct. And here's where it gets even more chilling: when CERN's researchers pushed their particle collisions to higher energy levels, some patterns disappeared entirely, as if reality itself was rewriting itself in real time. This should not be possible in a naturally occurring universe. One physicist, speaking anonymously, claimed, "What we are seeing suggests that spacetime is not continuous but discrete, like pixels on a screen." If that's true, then what we call reality is simply an illusion, a complex program running on a higher dimensional framework. If this is true, then it raises disturbing questions: who or what designed this simulation? Are we alone in this construct, or are other intelligences watching us? Could CERN's experiments have alerted the creators of the simulation to our presence? This theory might sound extreme, but the latest data only deepens the mystery. CERN's portal to another dimension. We previously mentioned strange time distortions occurring at CERN, but now some researchers believe that these fluctuations are more than just anomalies. Instead, they may be evidence of CERN opening a rift into another dimension. The Large Hadron Collider has long been rumored to be capable of creating microscopic black holes. Officially, CERN dismisses these concerns, stating that such black holes would evaporate instantly. But recent experiments suggest otherwise. In one particular test, scientists noticed missing energy that simply vanished without an explanation. This should not be possible unless that energy had been transferred to another place, possibly another universe. This has led to a terrifying question. Did CERN accidentally open a gateway to another dimension? If so, is something coming through? Several researchers involved in the experiment have gone silent. Some have resigned entirely, refusing to discuss what they saw. Whistleblowers claim that at least one experiment was shut down without explanation, and key data from the collision logs was erased before being made public. Could it be that CERN scientists saw something they were not meant to see? And if a portal was indeed opened, is it possible that something came through? The mysterious disappearances at CERN. The chilling part is that strange occurrences have been reported at CERN for years. Some of these go beyond physics and into the unexplained. Security footage has reportedly captured glitches, doors appearing where none should exist, figures moving in and out of shadows, and people suddenly disappearing only to reappear moments later. Some employees at CERN have allegedly vanished, not just missing work, but completely disappearing without a trace. There have been reports of scientists hearing whispers in the collider tunnels when no one else is around. These claims may sound like science fiction, but they eerily resemble the Mandela effect, which many believe is evidence of altered reality. If CERN's experiments are manipulating reality itself, could it be possible that some people have been erased from our timeline altogether? Has CERN contacted something beyond our universe? What if CERN's research has already gone beyond discovering fundamental particles? What if CERN's true achievement isn't just smashing atoms together, but making contact? A recent set of experiments produced signals that some researchers cannot explain. These signals do not resemble natural cosmic background radiation or any known physics phenomena. Instead, they appear to be structured, almost as if they were encoded. One physicist, who spoke under anonymity, claimed, "We've received patterns in the data that suggest deliberate intelligence. This is not random noise. Something or someone is communicating." But if CERN has indeed made contact, the next question is, with whom? Is this an ancient intelligence watching from beyond the limits of our perception? A post-human civilization reaching back to us from the future? Or something else, something far more alien and incomprehensible? And, most importantly, should we be trying to communicate back? CERN's next steps, we ready for what's coming? Despite these unsettling discoveries, CERN is moving forward. The organization has announced plans for an even larger, more powerful collider, one that could unleash energy levels never before seen on Earth. With this increased power, CERN could potentially unravel the deepest secrets of the universe, accidentally tear through the fabric of space-time, open a stable interdimensional rift, making our world vulnerable to forces beyond our understanding, trigger a shift in reality itself, altering the past, present, or future. As CERN continues its experiments, we must ask, are we prepared for the consequences? If our reality is unstable, then perhaps we were never meant to pull back the curtain and see what lies beyond. Perhaps some knowledge is too dangerous to possess. Or perhaps we have no choice but to move forward, even if it means stepping into the unknown. Final thoughts, the mystery deepens. Whatever CERN has discovered, one thing is clear, the universe is not what we once believed it to be. Time is not fixed. Reality is not stable. The very laws of physics themselves may be artificial constructs, designed by a force beyond our comprehension. Are we simply cosmic wanderers, blindly playing with fire? Or is CERN uncovering a hidden truth, one that has been buried for eons. As new experiments push the limits of physics, we must ask ourselves, are we unlocking the next stage of human evolution, or are we tampering with forces beyond our control? One thing is certain, CERN has broken its silence, and what comes next may change everything. What do you think? Is CERN revealing the true nature of the universe, or are they playing with something dangerous? Do you believe their experiments are uncovering hidden dimensions, or could they be making contact with something not of this world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And remember, stay curious, stay aware, and keep questioning everything.